In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make t-shirt design in Canva, 5 minutes. First, head to Canva and log in. If you've never used it before, the free version is perfect for this walkthrough. Once you're in, we'll keep things simple and fast so you can go from idea to ready to print in just a few minutes. Start by using the search bar at the top and type t-shirts. This pulls up a collection of ready-made templates tailored to shirt layouts, which is super helpful for sizing and placement. If you want full creative control, you can also open a blank canvas. Templates are great for speeding things up, but a blank canvas works if you already have a clear concept. Now add your text and graphics. Click text to drop in a headline or a short phrase. Choose a font that matches your message. Bold, clean fonts are easier to read on fabric. Then go to elements to add icons, shapes, or illustrations. Keep your graphics simple and high contrast for the best print results. If you have your own artwork or a logo, upload it and place it on the canvas. Just make sure anything you upload is high quality and that you have the rights to use it. Next, customize your design. Adjust font sizes, letter spacing, and line height so everything feels balanced. Use the color picker to test a few palettes and think about how the design will look on different shirt colors. Align your elements using Canva's smart guides and use the position tools to center items perfectly. If you're layering graphics and text, check the order so nothing is accidentally hidden. Before you call it done, preview it on a mock-up. Canva includes mock-up options that let you place your design on a t-shirt photo so you can see real-world scale and alignment. Try both light and dark shirts to make sure your colors pop and your text stays readable. Happy with the look? Click the share button and choose print your design to order shirts directly. Follow the prompts to pick quantities, sizes, and colors. Double check the preview one more time and make sure there's no unwanted background showing behind your design if you intended it to be transparent. If you're using the design digitally for a store listing or a print-on-demand platform, download it as a high-resolution PNG. Select the highest quality settings and turn on a transparent background if you need the design to sit cleanly on different shirt colors. And that's it. You've just created a polished t-shirt design in Canva, ready to print or share.